Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today we are in OASI Valletta del Silenzio in Veneto, and I think we can research this place as a silent valley. In fact, look, listen. It's very silent. Okay, I'm gonna show you in this place. I think it would be a very nice adventure. Let's go. Stupendo! As you can see, this park is very calm. It's huge. It's very big. And I'm trying to understand where is the lake, because I was reading there's a lake, I don't know what. Let's search for it. Let's continue to walk. Okay, this is like the map of all the fruits we can find here. Frutteto is fruits. So we have strawberries, peach, pear, and apple, and yeah, many things, many things. As you can see, this is the famous lake. That's not a lake, but okay. Anyways, this place is very beautiful, lake or not. It's really a calm place, and I've seen just two people until now. There's nobody inside this park, and this is good, but I think it's better to come with somebody because we never know. So I'm here with my brother and I feel more safe. It's a beautiful place to walk with your dogs, or just to do some sport, or just to walk, or to relax, to sit, to read, study. Yeah, it's very good. Come here with the friends, whoever you want, and with the boyfriend or with the girlfriend. Okay, we are now going to the other side. Let's see. What do you think about this place?
It's very peaceful.
Okay, yeah, this is true. It's very peaceful and
Plenty of wet bees.
yeah, this is true. There are a lot of bees.
Champagne bottles, throwing that money like you just won the lotto. We've been up all damn summer, making that bread and butter. Tell me, did I just stutter? That's the motto.